Hi guys, in this video we are going to install C++ in Ubuntu. So let's get started. So let's open terminal, make it a full screen. Let's increase the size by Ctrl Shift plus. Then let's say sudo apt install gcc and click enter your password. And as you can see, I have already installed, but in your system you need to give permission and you need to type y and click enter. Now let's install g++, install g++c, and yeah, even g++ is already installed. So once you install gcc and g++, then you need to exit this, open your folder, create a new folder, C++, and right click on it, open with other applications, select VS Code and hit enter. Yeah, so let's go full screen. Let's create a new file, hello.cpp. Then as you can see that do you want to install recommended C++ extension, show recommendation. I told you about this extension in Windows setup, so you can install this extension. It's very useful and it is officially from Microsoft.com. So let's see what we can do. And yeah, so let's write our first code. Let's go to VS Code official documentation, copy this code. Okay, and paste it here. So open the terminal, type g++ hello and click and enter tab, click on enter, and there you go, we have an output file here. So let's run this output file, a.out, and click enter. So now you have this output from the C++ file, and this shows that you have successfully installed C++ in your Ubuntu. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.